Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Always use the best and the freshest ingredients. This is my favorite rice, and my son Gabriel and Jimmy always love this rice. I always use bacon. The grease of the bacon will make the rice taste better. I use eggs, tomato, green pea, and scallion. Rice is very important for fried rice. You have to use the short grain white rice, or sometimes they call sushi rice, and it should be new crops, and which will make the huge difference when you make a fried rice. First, you have to cook this rice and I usually like to use rice cook. So wash the rice twice and then drain completely and add 1 cup of water into the rice and place in the rice cook until the rice is done. You need 3 eggs. Usually I like to use large eggs, and slightly beat up the eggs. And you slice the bacon, very thin slice, 5 pieces of good bacon, and thinly sliced and put on the side. You cut half of the onions in very thin, very small dice. Then you cut 1 tomatoes, 1 ripe tomato, and the dice. I always like to use the seeds and the juice too. Then I cut the scallion into thinly sliced scallion. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into the pot, and you put the bacon in and cook until the bacon is soft and the fat is coming out, most of it, but not too brown and crispy. And then you take the bacon out. Then I save the bacon fat and I put the eggs in. The egg is very important too. You have to cook the egg until the egg is totally set. If the egg is not totally set, the eggish will coat it on the rice and make the rice doesn't taste good. And then you take the egg out. Then you saute the onion until the onion turns transparent. Add the bacon back. Then add the eggs, which is firm and cooked. And then you add the green pea, and you add the rice, and you need to push the rice until the rice is totally combined with the bacon fat and bacon and eggs, and make the rice flavorful. Then you add 1 teaspoon of salt. When the rice is totally coated with all the bacon, eggs, then you add the tomato to the last, and you stir fry the tomato, combine it with the fried rice for a couple of minutes. Then you add the scallion to the last. Scallion you don't want to cook too long, you just want to keep warm and they'll have the flavor. So after you totally cooked, you can spoon the rice to the bowl, and it will serve 2 people for lunch and 4 people for side dish. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking.